Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's quick video, we're going to be fitting these lowering springs to this van, along with these 20-inch alloy wheels. This is our 2020 T6.1. As you can see, these are the original wheels that came with it. In order to remove this shock tower, we'll have to remove two bolts here, and there's another bolt up there which we will get from the inside. Just if anyone is planning on doing this job themselves, just be very, very careful of these bits of electrical cables here. In order to remove the suspension, you need a 21 spanner. Just be very, very careful because most socket sets do not have a 21. So just be mindful of this before you start this on a Saturday afternoon. Right guys, that's one side done. Now it's on to the next side. Before we do that, we're going to release the top mount on the passenger side. So in order to do that, we must remove the window wiper and the scuttle panel. So I'm going to show you a quick way of doing that and an easy way. This is going to be relatively easy because this is a new van. On an older van, it will be slightly more difficult, believe me. So let's get to it. So before I unscrew these, it's very, very important to mark the relation between this and the window wiper on the van, or else when you turn on your window wipers after you fit these, the window wipers will be everywhere. So a little bit of masking tape. The trick to remove this scuttle panel is to pull it down and up. There's little clips that fit underneath the windscreen. So in order to release them, it's kind of a pull. I'm going to take this panel out also to gain access because it's a little bit tricky. So with this removed, it should make the job an awful lot easier. Yeah. Now, as you can see, let me just put these bolts away. There's a better close-up of the shock top mount. So we'll get that bolt taken out, drop the shocks, new springs. That is it. One shock removed. Now for the dangerous part, getting this spring off. On this side, we've got a black cover here that we need to remove. And it's held in with two Torx bolts. One there and one here. This side's a little bit more trickier. There's a bolt here, easily accessible. You're going to need something like a 90-degree piece like this to get this one out, or else you could remove the airbox, but I'm lucky enough I have this. So let's make it happen. I'm after tying up the hub to stop this CV boot from pulling out on the inside. They have a tendency to do it when you're doing a job like this. So look, it's always better to err on the side of caution. Tie it up so it won't fall out. So let's get the shock on. One shock fitted. Now I cannot wait to see this in the van. Oh, wrong side. We have our 50mm lowering spring on. That seems to be from down here. So now we're going to go back up to the top, tighten up the top mounts, put back all the bits we took off, the window wipers, the scuttle panel, and let's head to the back. The back, guys, is so much easier than the front. It's simply one bolt, pull this down, release the spring, refit the new spring, same on the other side. So let's get to it. That wasn't so bad. Yes, there's a little bit of a difference. And it's as easy as that. Now, that's the video wrapped up for today. I am over the moon with the way the van now looks. But don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from Auto Body Solutions and myself. Believe me, we've plenty more in the pipeline. Peace out!